Guys, welcome to my channel TechClarity, where you get all the tech insights in a single place. Have you ever asked an AI a question and it confidently gave you the wrong answer? That problem is called hallucination. And this is exactly where RAG comes in. RAG, RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. In simple words, it helps AI fetch real information before getting an answer. Instead of relying only on pre-trained knowledge, RAG allows AI to search from trusted sources like documents, databases, websites, or company files in real-time basis. And here how it works. First, the user asks a question. Then the system retrieves relevant information from a knowledge source. That information is added to the AI prompt. Finally, the AI generates a more accurate and context-aware response. Think of it like this. A normal AI answers from memory. RAG-powered AI answers using both memory and live reference material. And that's where the difference it makes. That is why RAG is becoming one of the most important technologies in the modern AI systems. Traditional language models can sometimes give outdated or incorrect information, but RAG improves accuracy by grounding responses in actual data. And the best part is it works with private company documents also. That means businesses can build AI assistant trained on their own knowledge bases, policies, FAQs, analytics, reports, legal documents, and many more. RAG is already being used in AI chatbots, customer support systems, research tools, enterprise AI platforms, advanced search applications, and many more. And why does it matter? Because AI is moving not from just generating the text, but in becoming a truly reliable and useful tool in the real world. RAG reduces hallucinations, improves trust, and helps AI deliver smarter answers. In short, RAG bridges the gap between AI and the real-time knowledge system. This is just the beginning of the next generation AI systems. Is it? Let me know in the comment section. Follow TechClarity for more simple AI explanations and tech content.